That's so cute.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
And in the spirit of 4th of July, we're gonna be cooking outside and grilling. Matt, you wanna tell us what we're gonna make?
We're making burgers. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a nice quick recipe of homemade burgers with some garlic jalapeno aioli and all the fixins.
And I'm gonna be making a very healthy potato salad with little red potatoes, Greek yogurt, herbs, all mixed in with some lemon zest.
Are you ready?
Let's get started on Not Your Mama's Cooking Show.
All right, so we're gonna make some burgers. I took the liberty of preparing the meat last night, and now I'm gonna show you how to do that. What's up everyone, Matt from last night here. I'm here to show you how we prepped our burgers. To start, I'm going to take 3 pounds of ground beef. For the ground beef, I went with an 80-20 mixture. Get that nice fat to lean ratio. Then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of coarse pepper, and then 1/3 cup of Worcestershire sauce. I'm just gonna take it, I'm just gonna mix it all together. All right, now it's all wrapped up. We're gonna put it in the fridge. But before we go back to tomorrow, I'm gonna ask you to stick around till the end to see what the final product comes out like. So now that we've waited overnight, the beef has been sitting, it's ready. Now I'm gonna take my beef and I'm gonna weigh them into little round balls of 6 ounces each. The beef has been portioned out, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put them in my burger press and smash them. I'm gonna seal it up. We're gonna have Sarah come up here and make her recipe.
So it is a beautiful 4th of July weekend, and if you want a very healthy, delicious side dish, it can also be your main dish. I'm gonna be making a potato salad with Greek yogurt, cucumbers, lemon zest, and for anyone that doesn't know what lemon zest is, it is the outside of the lemon, and herbs. And the herbs that I'm using are cilantro and parsley. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna boil your red potatoes, and here's the size of the red potatoes, for about 20 minutes. And then you're gonna let them cool and you're gonna dice them into halves and quarters. So I've already done that here. Beautiful small red potatoes, diced into quarters and halves. And I pre-chopped the cilantro and the parsley, and I mix them together. And then I also have finely diced cucumbers. You can add radishes. You can also remove any of these and just have the potatoes if you'd like. 1 shallot, and like I said, the lemon zest, which is the outside of a lemon. So I did that to 1 lemon. And then of course you're gonna need your Greek yogurt. I'm gonna use my Fage 5% milk fat Greek yogurt, 1 pound of small red potatoes. For that I will take the full 70, oh, the horses are out, look at that. Hi, horsies. So then I'm gonna take this full 17.6 ounce Fage yogurt and dump it in, like so. Let's give it a stir. Let's take a spoon and kind of get everything mixed in. And then let's add in the herbs, the parsley and cilantro. Okay, there we go. Finely diced parsley and cilantro. Mix that around. And then let's go ahead and add in our cucumber, our 1 shallot, and the lemon zest of 1 lemon. Boom. Mix that up. Yeah, that horse likes it. And I'm telling you, this is not only simple, cost-effective, quick, but really delicious. I'm gonna add salt. You'll notice in my previous videos that I tend to use very little salt. So I'm gonna be conservative on the salt, but go ahead and use what you like. Let's mix it all together. It's now raining. I know, it's a lot going on. And when you make this salad, the horses will come out, people will come out. It's so good. Wow, look at that. This salad, this potato salad is your ticket to, this potato salad will bring out the horses, the crowd, the rain. It is amazing. Yum. So this is Not Your Mama's amazing healthy potato salad, which is a great side dish for the 4th of July. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know we will.
Technical difficulties today. We were out there, the horses came out when Sarah was finishing up hers, and then it started raining like crazy. So we rushed everything back over here, and then we forgot to turn the cameras on through half of this garlic jalapeno aioli that I'm gonna make to put on our burgers. To start, I'm going to take one whole jalapeno. I'm going to slice that into just little round coin shapes. Now I'm going to take 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of mayonnaise. This is Not Your Mama's cooking show. We don't need to measure. I'm going to say that's about 2 cups right there. Now we're going to take fresh lemon juice. A tablespoon of pepper, of course. Pepper goes good with everything. Now that that's done, we're going to puree. And there you have it, garlic jalapeno aioli.
It's time to feed.
It's been a day. It's only been a couple hours since we started doing this, and already we've had horses, we've had storms, we had to relocate, but we're making it work. It's 4th of July, so we're gonna celebrate the fact that we're free and independent and we get to do this.
Yes, hence the American flag of our great country and the delicious burgers that we're gonna feast on.
So what I'm gonna do,
God bless us.
I'm gonna cook up the burgers while Sarah prepares all the condiments, and then we're gonna eat.
Well, Matt, you cooked up a delicious meal.
It looks great. This time I'm the one that's starving and I want to eat. These look so
Normally
good.
I'm the one that's hungry.
Right, the cheese, you can still see the moisture coming out of the cheese.
Yes.
The aioli. I want to try this.
Yes.
What did you call this again?
It's just a potato salad with Greek yogurt. Here's the spicy homemade aioli sauce. Okay, I get to try it.
Yeah, have a little taste.
All right. This is the sauce that we're going to be putting on the cheeseburgers. Man, that's good. This would also be good as like a veggie dip. Let's plate up our burgers.
I'm going to grab this one. I tried this one a little bit.
Okay.
But
So we also buttered our buns.
yes.
Gotta butter those buns.
I am going to take the aioli. I'll spread it
Actually, that's the right way to do it. Okay.
on each side.
And I'm gonna take that from you so that I can do it.
Hell yeah. There you go. I'm gonna go lettuce
Ooh, this is good.
and then some onions. They're not very warm right now,
That's
but
okay,
they
they look-
were at one point.
They look great.
I'm gonna grab this guy, he looks nice. And that's gonna be my thing, and then I'm gonna,
And I think I'm gonna grab, well, this guy's got character, so I'm gonna grab that because I like character. And then I'm gonna put tomatoes on it.
and then we need a spoon to scoop up your potato salad.
Yep.
We're back. All right, I'm digging into this.
my turn.
You?
Oh man. Oh man. I can't wait to eat this.
All right.
Man.
I want to try the potato salad first.
Okay, I'll try it with you. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
You know what I taste that I've never tasted before?
Salt.
Yeah.
So for those of you who are just tuning in and this is your first time watching, I tend to do what I call a healthier and also low sodium recipes. But this one I added a little salt to it, which I normally don't do.
Now it's time for the, what do they call it? Creme de la creme.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Look at the sear on this. It just looks delicious.
Okay.
The way the cheese is just like oozing.
I'm gonna have mine out like this so they can see.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. Mm. Oh my God. Yeah, this is so good. The sauce. You can cook. Yes, it's delicious. It is so good.
Don't you love it? When you have food, it makes you just want to dance. That's when you know it's good. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Give us
Smash
a
that like.
Smash the bell.
We'll catch you on the next Not Your Mama's Cooking Show. But for now, we are going to chow down.